Namaskar to every one of you and thanks for watching my videos. Today on 8th June, every year we celebrate it as World Oceans Day. It is an opportunity to all of us to celebrate and honor our oceans. Life began in the oceans over 3.5 billion years ago. Our oceans and waterways are really important in our life circle because they provide vital stuff for us like food, air and water. But our oceans are not just important to us, they are important to all the creatures that live in it. The world oceans cover more than 70% of our planet, and because so much of the Earth's surface is underwater, the marine species vastly outnumbered that are on land. It is believed that 94% of the Earth living species exist within the oceans. The ocean is also important for the human being like us, as the oceans provide the majority of the oxygens that we breathe, food we eat, also cleans the water we drink, and most important, helps to regulate our climate. Unfortunately, over the last 100 years, a huge amount of rubbish has ended up in our oceans, with plastic being one of the most common oceans pollutants. The majority of the plastic doesn't get dumped in our oceans directly, but instead is discarded on the land. That easily makes it waste to the drains and gutters, which all runs away to the oceans. Around 80% of the plastic pollutions enter the oceans from land. Every year, more than 6 million of plastic is dumped in our oceans. This is the same weight of several jumbo jets. This has massive effects on the animals which rely on our oceans. Around 1 million birds and 1,000 marine mammals are killed each year due to plastic consumptions. Plastic pollutions in our oceans are like iceberg. For every piece you see on the top, there is much more hiding below. It is estimated that every square mile of oceans has more than 45,000 tons of plastic floating. Even scientists have predicted that by the year 2050 there will be more plastic in oceans than the fishes. As the plastic doesn't decompose easily in the oceans, and it takes around 80 years for a single plastic cup to decompose. This problem is man-made problem, and we the human beings have to take care of our oceans by doing recycle of used plastics. Luckily, there are a number of non-profit marine conservation organizations along the world working to save our oceans on behalf of all of us. This organization, through different campaigns and other activities, are involved in protecting the oceans from all such harms and also try to restore a vibrant marine life. So when you are going to throw any plastic material next time in open, please think this plastic will act like a distraction for all the species living in the oceans. So let's come unitedly with a please to recycle the plastic material and avoid using plastic bags. Thank you.